Okay, first of all, create a new project and add a photo to it. Copy your photo clip. Then for the copy, move it to the overlay track. And set the duration to 1.5 seconds. Continue by opening the cutout menu, selecting Remove Background and applying it. The next step, open the Effects menu and tap Body Effects. Under the Stroke category, for the first effect, choose Electro-Optical Scanning. Apply the object to the overlay track and set the duration as well. Tap the Adjust menu and set the speed to 100 and the size to 60. After that, in the overlay menu, add 2 keyframes at the beginning of the clip and enlarge the size of the photo at the second keyframe. Add 2 more keyframes at the end of the clip. Then normalize the photo size again at the last keyframe. To make it smoother, halfway between the 2 keyframes, open the Graphs menu and choose Ease Out 1. Next step, add 1 more video effect. Still in the Stroke category, this time choose the Streamer Stroke effect. Tap Adjust, then set the speed to 30. You can extend the duration of the main photo as you wish. Then also adjust the duration of the second effect. The final step, return to the overlay menu. Add an overlay. Then import the copy and share image which you can get in the description. Set the position and also the duration. Then open the Animation menu. Select the Mini Zoom effect. And set the duration to 0.2 seconds. So far the steps have been completed. Now, let's see the final result. Okay, that's how to make the copy and paste trend, like the viral one on Instagram Reels and TikTok. I hope this video is useful. And thanks for watching.